might say that we do sometimes.
Actually, the boy's quite astute. I really am trying to kill him. He got so far on his sister and he's quite wily when he's up there.
Okay, well, we've heard from you, Scott. Now, you tell us a little about yourself.
The details of my life are quite inconsequential.
Oh, no, please, please. Let's hear about your childhood.